Hi, my name's Steve Jones. Structures sub-agent for Balfour Beatty Jones Brothers on the A487 Porthmadog Minford Bypass. Currently stood underneath the Afon-Glaslan viaduct structure. You can see the RMD Kwikform Paraslim Falsework, which we're using to form the composite deck on the structure. The project is a £34 million bypass. It's 5.3 kilometres long, of which there's 8 structures, varying types of structure, precast concrete, integral structures. The RMD Kwikform Paraslim Falsework is used on 2 of the structures, one structure being a 3-span bridge over a narrow gauge railway, and the other structure being the structure that we're currently at now.
I'm Paul Collins, General Manager for RMD Kwikform. I'm stood on the viaduct bridge on the A487 Porthmadog Bypass project, joint venture project between Balfour Beatty Civil Engineering and Jones Brothers. Behind me you will see our Paraslim cantilever deck edge system formwork that has been used on this structure plus one other structure on the job. Key to this system is the inherent built-in safety features that allows the customer to pre-assemble modules in some instances, or in other instances like this structure to pre-fix the deck edge formwork prior to the edge being lifted into position.
The Paraslim product was chosen, the main reason being the health and safety, the cost effectiveness of the kit and the ease of use. With it being fixed to the top of the beams, it allows you to install it without having to be underneath the bridge. It also allows the falsework, gives you access. It also has the edge protection built into it. It then obviously allows the concrete to be poured onto it. Then any adjustments can be made from above on top of the deck. Once the deck is actually cast on top of the bridge, the process for dismantling the RMD Paraslim is to set up a small crane on top of the deck. The units come out separately. We would utilise an RMD C-hook which will cradle underneath the Paraslim falsework units. It is then released from the Paraslim tie into the C-hook and then lowered and lifted off onto the deck for dismantlement.
This particular project is quite isolated in northwestern Wales, so it was very important that we got the solution correct. By working with the customer some months in advance, we came up with the most efficient, cost-effective solution for that customer. Coupled with our on-site assistance and support through our customer services department, this has been key and has ensured a very successful project.
The product itself, in terms of the use, there's varying experience, and some of the operatives have used it before, some haven't. What we've been able to do with the guys who've not used it previous is run them through the RMD installation and removal guidance. Overall, the system is reasonably easy to install.
Also, from a cost perspective, what makes this system particularly attractive to a customer is that it utilises many of our standard elements and components. Having listened to customers on a number of projects and the increased need for speed of erection, we are now able to offer the same system in modules up to a length of 7.2 metres long, completely pre-assembled prior to delivery. So once on site, the system is able to be offered up straight away in situ with very little assembly required on site, saving the customer time and money in the long run.
Behind me is the steel composite structure, the 3-span over the Welsh Highland Railway. Currently at the stage of we've finished the deck, poured the parapet. The RMD Kwikform Paraslim is now providing access to the finishing works. Key to the work that's going on and the safety of the railway beneath, the Paraslim provides an ultra-guard system that almost acts as a brick guard, which prevents any bricks or stones falling onto the railway below.
RMD Kwikform are committed to forming partnerships with our customers on major projects. Indeed, this is what we've done on this particular project with Balfour Beatty and Jones Brothers joint venture. What is important to us is feedback through that partnership to enable us to continuously improve and develop our product, something which has taken place on this particular project with the Paraslim system.
In conclusion, working with RMD Kwikform has been a good experience. Working with the team has enabled us to work together with the same goals with regards to health, safety, cost, and bringing in the project within the timescale that we required.